Hello and welcome. My name is Gail James, and I work for Jump Math in Calgary, Alberta. What I'd like to do is just take you on a quick walk through our website to show you where the curriculum support packages for the new Alberta curriculum can be found and how to use them. So, first, you'll want to go to our website, jumpmath.org. That's where I'm at right now. And then you'll need to log in. If you have an account, you hit login. If you don't have an account, you also hit login. And here, because I have an account, it pops up automatically. If you are new or you haven't been to our website for a year or so, you're familiar with the old website, you will need to create a new account. You do that right here where it says create new account. Accounts are free, we don't spam you. And as an educator, you're going to make the middle choice. Select, here we go. And if you could please just put in your name, first and last, province or territory, postal code. It's super helpful if you include your school or school district. All right, so I'm going to go back and log in. Here we go, and log in. When you log in, you land at what we call the Resource Center. So if you scroll down, here we go. We have these green dots with various extra pieces here. Right now, you are going to look for the Curriculum Support Packages 3. When you click on this, you will have three options. The first one is for Ontario. The bottom two are for Alberta K-3 and Alberta 4-6. So we go to Product, and here we go. Yeah, K-3. Choose an option, and this is where you choose your grade. So I'm going to have a look at grade 2 and download. This will automatically download this package for us, and this is what it looks like. So we have grade 2 support lessons, grade 2 annotated table of contents, and correlation to the new curriculum. So let's start there. So we open it up and we see we have all of the outcomes here, and on the right it'll tell you which part 1 or part 2, which unit and which lessons you will find this outcome taught. Here you will see we've added support lesson NBT 2-29. In a moment, I'll show you how to find that lesson. So as we go through, you will see here support lesson OA 2-12. Oh, this one is not addressed. That's because we don't have a grade 1 or 2 or grade 3 lesson that addresses the concept of infinity. So by marking it as not addressed, the teacher can look at this and realize, aha, I will have to add this to a lesson or make a lesson specifically about this. All right, so that's the first part. The next part is the annotated table of contents. What I suggest you do is you download and print this out, remove the current table of contents from the teacher resource and put this in. You'll notice that the ones marked with a black dot are required, with a gray dot are recommended, with a white dot are optional. My friends, you do not have time to do those. Don't even try. If it's marked with an asterisk, it's review. When there's a line, it's time to give a quiz or a test. And if it's highlighted in gray, that means it's a support lesson. And then there's a reminder here. This table of contents is aligned to the Alberta 2022 K-6 Mathematics Curriculum, Grade 2. So we go through, all of Unit 1 is required. You will notice that in fact the first 7 lessons are review, but because these are such fundamental concepts, we feel that they are really required to make sure that everyone's on the right track. Blackline masters are all included, following each unit. Most of Unit 2 is required. Oh, but there's a note. You'll see there's a new column here for those of you familiar with Jump Math. It says instructions. Here, teach students number words to 100. This is something that I see most teachers build right into calendar time. Here, these gray lessons, NBT, that means it came from the American resource. And you'll see it says support lessons from US 1.2 Unit 1, from US 1.2 Unit 1. And then when you're actually looking to find the lessons, they're right here in this folder. So we just saw NBT 1-21, so let's open that up. In it, you will find the lesson plan, the Blackline Masters, the PowerPoint slides, the smart slides, and the associated assessment and practice book. Now, if you're super keen, you have time and energy, this summer you could download all of these, open up each of these folders, print out the lessons, and slot them in where they need to be according to the table of contents. And then you'll be all set for the coming year. When we look at assessments, here we go. So we have all of our extra quizzes and tests that went with those extra lessons. We have them in Word so you can edit them or as PDFs. And then we also have answer keys. These are answer keys for the assessment and practice book pages. I think that's about all I wanted to say. If you have any questions moving forward, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, Gail James. I work Red Deer and South, or my colleague Donna Prado, who works in areas of Alberta north of Red Deer. We are both more than happy to hop onto Zoom or Teams or the phone and have a conversation. Or if you would like to discuss any professional development, just give us a shout. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.